Many find sculpture less intimidating as an art form because they're more tangible than paintings. Lalo na pag ganito ang mga sculpture.
My exhibition is entitled Eclectic. Eclectic parang sari-sari. It's a different subject. Same time, it's a different mediums.
For this exhibit, he paired brass with plastic and semi-precious stones.
Kasi brass is, the color, the more siya tumatagal, yung color niya naging siyang classic. At the same time, yung easy to control it, malleability of the brass.
Michael is only 39 years old. Bata pa compared to equally established but older artists in the country. That explains the youthfulness and humor in his works.
The kalalakihan, the part of manhood, yung booking. Hinaluan ng konting humor itong exhibit. This one is entitled Precious. Actually, dalawa eh. Precious, yung damit na nakasuot sa kanya. At the same time, ang pinaka-precious sa kanya, her son. This one is the socialera. I go out at night, marami nakitang mga tao, syempre they are in the high society. They are the social. And this one is actually it's a Margaret. Actually, my wife loves to drink margarita. Actually siya yung model ko dito. This one is gold. Actually, lahat tayo, we aim for 1 crown, no? Kahit may mga sagabal sa iyo, pero continue pa rin yung pag-akyat ng buhay. This one is the teamwork. Each person nag-depend siya sa isa. Kailangan nila as a team, as a group, para ma-fulfill yung mission, their task. Subok. Kasi ang tao mahilig sa adventure. Diba? Gusto tikman lahat ng kung ng magagawa ng life eh. And this one is the against the odds. Kahit dumating yung problems natin, kahit dumating anything na persecution, with the help of, syempre, with the help of God, the strength coming from Him, kaya natin yan.
The exhibit at Serendra lasted 2 weeks. He's working on his next one for early next year. He's planning on using more gemstones and will be venturing into lighting with his chandelier series. That should be very interesting. Lighting pieces that are sculpture.